sexy dad.
Damn, what?
Oh my god. I'm going back.
Look at this nigga Ed. That nigga think he in New York.
Just walking.
And we have Ed just walking
That
away.
nigga think he in New York, yo.
How's it going? Good. Do any bad things today? You don't like my freestyle? I got a freestyle. I'm about to freestyle with this nigga. Yeah? You ready? Don't walk away from me. Big dicks only. Little shrimp baby. Wait, that's ours. Wait, I got a new one for you. No! Head on the platter, release my bladder. R. Kelly, make that nigga scream and everything shatter. But even if I don't for my nigga.
Off the top, let's do something. So you getting in this, you gotta get behind that camera, man.
I go by RSE Cinematic, Real Soul Engine Cinematic, at Real Soul Engine Cinematic, that's my IG. REALSOLENGINE, Cinematic, CINEMATIC, Real Soul Engine Cinematic.
That's a nice setup though. I like it.
Hey, Holly Quinn. Holly Quinn. Come here. Holly. Come here. Hey, I want you to be on my YouTube.
Yeah, we holding this block down Hollywood Boulevard. My man Omega.
LA. Yo.
He's smack.
Yo, what's up, baby?
He said he's smack.
He's smack.
Yeah. It's Big Sexy. Y'all already tuning in. Y'all already know what it is. I'm just waiting on the DJ to get it right so I can drop these bars for you. So you have a real pimp, dude. But it ain't no whore. But it ain't no bow. Oh. I'm about to rap over this nigga and steal the show. Oh no. When cry like a baby.
We out here. Uh-oh. Big sexy dad, big princess. Come on, girl.
Y'all, my homeboy, Ed, is rapping.
Hollywood Boulevard. Touchdown. Then we did the cookie store. Yeah, we rolling up. Yeah, my nigga T. Little bag in it.
So we out here in Hollywood. I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe to my girl's channel, Big Sexy Dash. Okay, do it right now. Get good contact. You feel me? I don't know, we all do big vlogs. Subscribe to Big Sexy Dash if you know what's good for you, okay? I would follow me, y'all want to.
420, period.
Alright,
Y'all need to
it's
really
Williams,
subscribe.
you feel me? Williams, Iman, IMAN, you feel me? It's what it is.
Your eyelashes are cute as fuck.
Yeah, and her eyelashes are good. You're not gonna follow somebody looking for eyelashes.
Period.
So yeah.
You gotta do it.
Thank you. I fucks with the vision. Much respect. I hope you really blow up because you're going to mad. Oh shit. Dude.
Featherstone, .95, that's feather like a feather, stone like a stone. Get at me, you feel me? I'll be on the boulevard all the time, you feel me? Come check a nigga out. How you doing, man? Chris.
So where your music at?
I got an album out, it's on Apple Music.
Only at 6 o'clock in the morning, I don't understand. Such a girl, Big Sexy or whatnot. So the people behind me, right? They ready to have a royal smackdown hollering and whatnot. I want to go over there and check it out, but you know my homeboys, they doing a music video. I don't know if I want to be involved in that. But I just let y'all see how they just standing out there hollering at each other. Thank you, thank you. This your brand right here? Is this your brand?
No, that's not my park look. That's my park look.
Yeah, baby. Oh my god. I love it. Yeah, no, don't challenge him. Look. He don't even know.
Then he eat your kicky. We brushed him off and walked back to the Kentucky Fried Chicken. Anthony plant the rabbit. Set up the place before back in '84. Devilish work, skeleton is crime, intelligent.
So people can see she ain't just gonna drop her clothes out to you. You know what I'm saying? Like, some people want you to like, ooh.
Well, let me take a knee, man.
Glasses to the side, like I just took your bitches off. It's hot. Oh, I need to sit down and fan myself. But hold them up, the glasses, like that. Pop your arm. Yes.
Alright, now look at him. Yeah, like that.
Yes. Yeah.
Lift my titty for me. Yeah. There you go.
That, yeah, like that. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, you brought lipstick too. Yeah, that was good.
Nigga wanna bite like Adam. Can't hit my weed, ain't passing. Get it for low, then tax it. Bitch, I'm a star like Patrick. She ain't shy, she nasty. Little kid, my voice turn raspy. Got the little bitch calling me daddy.
Big sexy dash. Big sexy dash. Big sexy dash.
Sexy dad, big princess.
She didn't like it.
I was trying to tell me how to be a princess. I'm the real big sexy. Got me fucked up. Big sexy ass, big princess. Big sexy ass, big princess. Big sexy